Hey everyone, thanks very much for joining me on this video. A package arrived, which is fantastic. I've got my first 2019 purchases, which is going to be fantastic. So I'd love to share it with you guys. So here's the package. I'll get it open. So just give us a sec. Right, so let's get cracking with it, I suppose. See where we can see. Oh, there it is. My first bit of gold as well. That's for 2019. There it goes. I'll put that down for a sec. Right. Has anyone got any pickups for 2019 in regards to any bullion? Is there anything specific you're waiting on? Let me know in the comments below. Right. This is my bullion supplier. They're Coininvest. They're located in Germany. I normally get all my stuff off them. There's a few bits here, and there's that gold piece. There it is. Now, for those who aren't familiar with this one, this is a Mexican 5 pesos. It's 90% gold, and weight is 4.116 grams, which equals about 3.75 in pure gold fineness. So bigger than a 10th ounce. I got this for an absolute steal. It was €6 above spot, so I was over the moon with this, because I was like shopping around like you cannot believe. The premiums on this side are just a joke in regards to stuff. So I've got that one there. These are my further pickups. We've got the 2019 Maple Leaf silver 1 ounce. So as you can see there, 2019. I went for the Dragon Coin Bar. I've got 8 of the 2018s. I just love these. These are one of my favorites. I really wanted to get this again. So I'm glad I managed to get one. I'm going to try and get a few more bits and pieces. We've also got the Australian Koala. This is 4/9 fine silver 2019. And this is, I've got the 2018 Koalas as well. So these are limited to 300,000. So I thought I'd get that as well. Then we've got a Krugerand. This is the 2019 Silver Krugerand. That's one of the standard bullion pieces that they have. I like the finish on these, and they're fairly affordable. So I've got the 2017, 2018 and the 2019. Let's take a look here. This is another one. This is the 2019 Britannia, £2. Beautiful. So I've got the 2018s. I've got a few of the 2018s. I've also got the Oriental border. I was playing with the idea of either getting the Oriental border or the standard Britannia, and I went with the standard Britannia. There was about a €2 difference. And here's the Pierre de la Resistance. It's the Yale of Beaufort or Beaufort, 2 ounce fine silver. This will carry on with my Queen's Beast collection. It's this is the brilliant uncirculated issue. I'll do a separate review for these. Again, this is standardized bullion, so I've got 7 ounces of silver and 3.75 grams of gold. Essentially, what I'm going to try and do is try and get a piece of gold with every order I make from now on, because I really need to start diversifying the stack and start getting some gold in. So I'm quite happy with that. Initially I bought this just before the gold price took a bit of a dip. So if I'd waited another day or something, I would have probably got this at a far lower price. However, it's gone back up again now, so it's closing the gap there, but I'm very happy with that. Paying €6 €6 over spot for that one. And I'm just busy looking at my next ones. I'm going to I might get some German Empire gold, because you can bag some of these, and there's a very nice £2 gold coin, which was first minted in the 60s in South Africa, and it's about a sovereign size, sovereign weight, and that's not far off bullion price as well. So just shop around, guys. Really, if you're looking for bullion prices, try and get as close a spot as you possibly can, especially when it comes to gold, and even when it comes to silver. But thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Just a few bits and pieces, but especially that gold. Just love that. Thanks very much, everybody. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the middle there. Please have a look at the other content, and I'll see you guys later on with the giveaway. Obviously, for those that aren't aware of it, I'm doing a 750 goal. It's going to be this evening, and obviously the entries have been submitted. Entries are officially closed, so no more entries for the draw. I'll see you guys there. Enjoy the rest of your day.